Hello everyone, Amanda Wray coming back to you with another quick video. We're going to discuss Passive Profits postcard program. And what I want to do is just answer some of the questions that people have about when they get started, how many postcards should you be mailing, and basically what I want to do is I put together this quick information about if you came in at the $100 level, $500 level, or $1,000 level, what you would need to do in order to make $3,000 a month. So a lot of people, they come to me, they want to know, Amanda, what do I need to do to make $3,000 a month? That's what I want to do in order to leave my daytime job. And that's extremely doable with this business because there's no selling, no telling, no trying to convince when it comes to this opportunity. This is where a lot of people fail. They don't know much about an opportunity to tell people about it. So therefore, they wind up messing up, or people really just don't understand what they're talking about. But with this opportunity, you don't have to do that because we all call into a 1-800 number where a closer will do the selling and telling for you. So when that person decides to join based off of the information that they get from the closer, you are going to get paid. So this just basically is stating if you want to make $3,000 a month, and you join at the $100 level, let's just say, you're going to get $50 per person that joins. You need 60 people to come into your business in order to make $3,000 a month. Now, 60 people is a lot to get right in the beginning when you join this opportunity, especially within 30 days. It's really hard to do that when you're joining an opportunity like this. Now, if you came in at the $500 level, you're going to get $250 for each person that joins. And you only need 12 people to make $3,000 a month. So 12 people is like getting one person every other day for 30 days. And that's extremely doable, okay? So after I go over the levels, I'm going to tell you how many postcards approximately you need to mail when you first get started with this opportunity. Then we have the $1,000 level, which is considered our sweet spot. That's where a lot of people come in because there's some perks and benefits to coming in at that level. If you want to know what the bonuses are at the $1,000 level, when you call into the 1-800 number, one of the closers will tell you what the bonuses are and how to basically get started and be able to receive those bonuses at the $1,000 level. So at that level, you're going to get $500 per person, and you only need 6 people a month to make $3,000 a month every single month. 6 people to join your opportunity. And that is more like it. That's where a lot of people want to be. To get 6 people in a month is extremely easy to do. That's like 2 people a week, less than 2 people a week, okay? So that's the levels that I really recommend is the 500 or the 1,000. If you can do more, the better, because you're going to get more pill and stick labels, which is the leads that's provided to you for people who are interested in a home-based business opportunity. So how many postcards do I need to mail out? And that's the question that I get all the time. As far as postcards, when you start this opportunity, you need to be sending out your first 1,000 postcards as quickly as possible. And for some people that may take 30 days, for others it may take 60 days. But within a 90-day period, you want to send out at least 1,000 postcards. And you need to make sure that when you send out those 1,000 postcards that it includes your website link. Now, the websites we give to you, you have to purchase them. At the higher levels, you don't. But if you come in at the lower levels, you have to get the website, and you have 3 different websites to choose from. And that information is going to be added to your postcard when you have your postcards customized with your ID, your picture on it, and you'll also have your domain name on it, which will be your website link that people can go to get more information about the opportunity and the way that it works, okay? So when a person is ready to get started and they want to join your opportunity, all they need to do is call into the 1-800 number. They leave your ID number, the best time to reach them, and then a closer will reach out to them and give them the information about the opportunity and help them to get started. When the person decides to get started, you will receive a payment of 50% depending on what level you're at. So at the $100 level, you're going to get $50. At the 300, you're going to get $150. The 500, you're going to get $250. The 1,000, you're going to get $500. The 2,000, you're going to get $1,000. And at the $4,000 level, you're going to get $2,000. And you're making a one-time payment to receive these payments over and over and over again every time someone gets your postcard and decide to get involved in this opportunity. So that's extremely powerful, guys. And that's the way that Passive Profits work. We have webinars every Tuesday. So if you would like to come on to one of the webinars, it's passiveprofitmasters.com. Again, that's passiveprofitmasters.com. And we have webinars every Tuesday at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where you can come in and get more information and also ask questions about this opportunity, okay? So right now is the best time to get involved, seeing that a lot of people are home, they're looking for additional work. Some people are looking not to go back to their daytime job. This is a great time to get started and start making money from home like I do. I'm sitting here in my home office. This is what I've been doing since 2016, and it has given me time freedom, but not only that, financial freedom to be able to do the things that I like to do from home, and not only that, teach others how to earn a full-time income working from home. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll be back to you tomorrow with another video. So thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.